In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your password on Discord, or more accurately, how to find it if it was saved in your browser or password manager. Discord does not let you directly view your current password inside the app for security reasons, so if you forgot it, this method can help you recover it only from a saved location. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Now, let's get into it. First, it's important to know that you cannot open Discord and reveal your password from your account settings. Discord protects passwords for security, so there is no built-in show password option inside the app. But if you previously saved your Discord login in your browser, you may be able to view it there. If you use Chrome or Edge, start by opening your browser. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner. In Edge, click the three dots in the top right corner as well. From the menu, go into Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look for Password Manager. In Chrome, this is usually under Autofill and Password Manager. In Edge, you may find it under Profiles and then Passwords. When the Password Manager opens, use the search bar and type discord.com. This will filter your saved logins and should show any Discord entry that was stored by the browser. Click on the Save Discord account entry to open the details. At this point, your browser will ask you to verify your identity. On Windows, that usually means entering your Windows Passkey, PIN, or system password. This step is required so nobody else can view your saved passwords without permission. Go ahead and complete that verification. After you authenticate, you'll see the saved password field. Next to it, there should be an eye icon. Click that eye icon to reveal the password. Once it appears, you can copy it and use it to sign back into Discord. If you don't see Discord saved in your browser, then it may not have been stored there in the first place. In that case, your best option is to reset your Discord password using the Forgot Password link on the Discord login screen. That will send a reset email to the address connected to your account. It's also a good idea to check any other password managers you use, like the built-in password manager on your phone, a third-party manager, or any synced account you might have used before. Many people forget that their password was saved in more than one place. So to recap, you cannot directly see your Discord password inside Discord itself, but if it was saved in Chrome or Edge, you can open Password Manager, search for discord.com, verify with your Windows passkey, and then click the eye icon to reveal it. And if it was not saved anywhere, you'll need to reset it instead. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.